Hello, I need new sneakers today.
Welcome to our big shoe store.
I want nice running shoes.
What color do you want?
I want blue to match tracksuit.
We have many blue shoes here.
Can I look at that wall?
Yes, please look at the wall.
This blue pair is very nice.
That is a very good choice.
Are they good for running fast?
Yes, they are very light shoes.
I will try them on now.
What is your shoe size?
I wear size 10 usually.
I will check the back room.
Please bring size 10 for me.
I will be back very soon.
I will wait on this bench.
Here is the blue size 10.
The box looks very brand new.
Open it and check the shoes.
They look absolutely perfect to me.
Take off your old shoes now.
I will put these on now.
Tell me how they feel.
I put the left shoe on.
How does it fit your foot?
It feels a little bit tight.
Where is it tight for you?
It hurts my big toe.
You need a bigger shoe size.
Can you bring size 11?
Yes, I have size 11 here.
Let me try the new pair.
Here is the right shoe first.
I will tie the laces now.
Walk around the store a bit.
I will walk to the mirror.
Do they feel better now?
Yes, they are very comfortable now.
Your toes have more room now.
They look great with long pants.
Yes, they match your tracksuit well.
Are they good for everyday walking?
Yes, they have very soft soles.
They feel very light and fast.
Do you want to buy them? Let us go to the counter.
Yes, I will definitely take them.
How much are these new sneakers?
They are 100 paper dollars.
Do you have a discount today?
We have a small summer sale.
How much is the summer discount?
It is $10 off today.
So they are $90 now.
Yes, exactly 90 paper dollars.
That is a very good price.
It is our best price today.
Do you sell white sports socks?
Yes, we have thick white socks.
I need 3 pairs of socks.
3 pairs cost $15 more.
I will buy the socks too.
I will put them in box.
The box is very nice.
Do you need shoe cleaning spray?
No, I do not need spray.
I will clean the shoes first.
Thank you for cleaning the dust.
Your new shoes are completely ready.
I am ready to pay cash.
We will do that right now.
I have my paper money here.
Please follow me to the register.
The total is 105.
Yes, for shoes and 3 socks.
Do you accept paper cash only?
Yes, we only take paper bills.
I have paper money in pocket.
You can put it on counter.
Here is a $50 bill.
I see the first 50 bill.
And here is another 50 bill.
That makes $100 now.
Here is one $10 bill.
Thank you for the cash payment.
Do I get some change back?
Yes, you get $5 back.
Please give me my paper change.
Here is your $5 bill.
I will put it in pocket.
I will print your paper receipt.
Please put it in the box.
The receipt is inside the box.
Do I have a shoe warranty?
Yes, you have 1 month warranty.
That is very good to hear.
Keep the receipt for the warranty.
I will never lose this receipt.
The payment is completely finished now.
Can I wear them right now?
Yes, you can wear them out.
Put my old shoes in box.
I put them in the box.
Do you have a big bag?
Yes, I have a paper bag.
Put the shoebox inside it.
It is safely inside the bag.
The bag has a strong handle.
It will not break at all.
Thank you for your good help.
Enjoy your nice new blue sneakers.
They feel great with my tracksuit.
You look very sporty today, sir.
I will run in the park.
The park is very beautiful today.
It is a sunny day outside.
Have a very good long run.
I will definitely run very fast.
Please come back to our store.
I will buy winter boots later.
We will have them next month.
I will see you then, friend.
Have a wonderful day, my friend.
Goodbye to you and good luck.
Walk safely on the street now.